Didn't want to fuck with the real ones. It's your boy BCHQ, back with another reaction. Lupe, Fiasco, Handcuffs. This is from my friend that I work with. Suggested this, so I've heard of Lupe before, listened to him years ago, but I haven't really checked him out since, so be interesting to see what this is about. Let's get it.
Okay, kid. Say what you gotta say.
You know what I'm saying? You know, some niggas really out there bad. You know what I'm saying? Some niggas is forced in positions where they gotta do things where they don't want to do it. You know what I'm saying? So some niggas forced to dope, sell dope. Some niggas forced to pimp. You know what I'm saying? But you got some niggas out there that just lazy. You know what I'm saying? Niggas ain't forced to do nothing. Niggas got other options. They just choose not to do it. You know? In the back of the...
Already, the song just starting, yeah? Beats hardly kicked in, and he's saying people have got opportunities and they don't want to do nothing because they're lazy. Real talk.
Police car position, your mission is forgetting and denying the existence. Thinking of different ways to keep from submitting and continuing and not to mention. Like that. Grand Marquis Police Interceptor Edition with the wall so you can barely fit in. Knees is touching the front seat, shifting, cause your handcuffs is cutting your wrist in. You're wishing that he would drive faster, please, but he slows through the hood as he drives past the freeze. It's cool, but you're tripping. The quicker you get there, the quicker you sit there, cuffed to a benching. They playing good cop, bad cop, one of them pretending. So you rewind yourself to your uneasy recline in the back of the police car, handcuffed in the seatbelt. No, you ain't got it quick in the pace. Then just give me more time to sit in the race. Alibi and alias, switch and replace. Think about then, forget about an escape. Thank God that I'm up in the States, cause if I was in Russia, who knows how they...
His voice is very laid back, but like, it's got energy. And the beat is very energetic. And I feel like it balances, it's got a really good balance of like aggression and like upbeatness with the beat itself, and his voice is just like, as I said, laid back, so it kind of cancels itself out, and it's a good balance.
Do a hustler, wait, I ain't a hustler, I'm straight, I'm damn near a buster, no laws I break, money I never seen, guns I didn't hold, drugs I never sold, cars I didn't make, nigga this is a waste of your time and mine, is that uncomfortable, I'm fine. A case, this ain't even a fine. You ain't find nothing, homie, not even a dime. Not even a dime, then a drop dime on me. I know you was dying, so you put a dime on me. I know that's a crime, you supposed to fight crime for me. Protect and serve, prosecute, correct, and return to the homies. And that's gonna send them direct to the curb, so you can put them back on me. You know, don't get me wrong, some people ain't got no options. You know what I'm saying? They surrounded in their environment, and the way that society works on things actually forces them and directs them. You know what I'm saying? To the point where they ain't got no options, so they gotta go out there.
Like, he's talking now, like, he's stopped the rapping, he's just talking and giving people knowledge on certain people will get told from other people in better positions, like, don't do this, like, what are you doing, you go get a job. Some people can't get jobs if they already got a criminal record, or like whatever the case is. Some people, it's not that simple to go and get a job. So I really appreciate what he's doing on this song, because a lot of people get mistreated and misunderstood because of past things that maybe they've now changed their life around, but now they can't get a job because people won't give them a chance. How are they supposed to alter their life when people won't even give them a chance because of past things, even though they've now changed? So like, he's really speaking some real shit here.
Car position, his mission is pinning charges on niggas, even if they didn't. He's sitting in court, lying, testifying against defendants, like that. And he loved to choke niggas. He don't trip with the rich, he just like the broke niggas. Probably did more dirt in the streets than most niggas. Even the old people don't like him, cause the way he approach niggas. Nigga, you ain't no better than me, just a hustler with a badge. Confiscate the dope money, put it with your retirement boat money.
You ain't no better than me, just a hustler with a badge. Like, we all know that the police are the biggest gang. Like, people arrest gangs, police arrest gangs and try and criminalise them even when they ain't guilty of things. But the police are just as bad. They just have a badge and have the authority to go and mistreat people. But they are a gang themselves.
You ain't building no playgrounds, lost in the poor for some cash. That ain't a pension, that's a shoebox stash with a Glock to protect it. We both undercover, check it. Thinking that the good we do gon' outweigh the sinning that we do to collect it. Saying it's for the community. They don't value us only around cause the property value up. And they gotta clean the streets before they put the houses up. Knock them Section 8s down, put them 200,000s up. Feel he don't get paid enough to kick in doors, raid and cuff. So we use what niggas get on the street to supplement the wages cut. So we gotta keep just enough niggas out there hustling to keep his paper up. Like that, like that, that. Maybe he should be in them handcuffs.
Like, I apologise if I didn't give a lot of reactions in there, and like, but I was just trying to listen to what he was saying. It's the first time I've ever heard that song. I've heard the beat before on some other song, but like, he's just talking about people getting arrested, or like getting arrested, and even if they're not necessarily guilty of it, and actually physically being in a cop car with handcuffs on. And I'm gonna listen to that a few more times and just like dig deeper into the lyrics themselves, but the messages he was sending when he was just talking as well between the verses, like, it's real shit, it's real life. And like, I think that was good that he addressed that. And I hope, like, I'm not even sure when this came out, but I hope that it got a lot of attention when it did, because to this day we still have a lot of problems with police and people getting mistreated and falsely prosecuted. So big up Lupe Fiasco. I definitely liked that. Yeah, don't want to fuck with the real ones.